A crucial economic update, delayed CPI report and its impact. Get ready for an exciting Friday, as today's economic calendar is packed with crucial events that could shape the financial landscape. The spotlight is on the delayed U.S. CPI report, which will have a significant influence on the Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate decision. But here's where it gets controversial. The U.S. government shutdown, now in its fourth week, has left most federal agencies in limbo, including the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS. However, recognizing the importance of the CPI report, the BLS has promised to deliver the data with a delay. The CPI report is a game-changer for the Fed, which will make its interest rate decision next week. This report will provide critical insights into inflation, a key factor in monetary policy decisions. Here's a detailed breakdown of today's economic calendar. 8:15 a.m. British Summer Time. France PMI data for October. HCOB France Services PMI. Forecast 48.7. Previous 48.5. HCOB France Manufacturing PMI. Forecast 48.2. Previous 48.2. HCOB France Composite PMI. Previous 48.1. 8:30 a.m. British Summer Time. Germany PMI data for October. HCOB Germany Services PMI. Forecast 51.1. Previous 51.5. HCOB Germany Manufacturing PMI. Forecast 49.5. Previous 49.5. HCOB Germany Composite PMI. Forecast 51.6. Previous 52.0. 9 a.m. British Summer Time. Eurozone PMI data for October. HCOB Eurozone Services PMI. Forecast 51.2. Previous 51.3. HCOB Eurozone Manufacturing PMI. Forecast 49.8. Previous 49.8. HCOB Eurozone Composite PMI. Forecast 51.0. Previous 51.2. 9:30 a.m. British Summer Time. United Kingdom PMI data for October. S&P Global Services PMI. Forecast 51.0. Previous 50.8. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. Forecast 46.6. Previous 46.2. S&P Global Composite PMI. Forecast 50.6. Previous 50.1. 10:15 a.m. British Summer Time. United Kingdom, Bo Deputy Governor Woods speaks. 1:30 p.m. British Summer Time. United States, inflation data for September. CPI, forecast 3.1% YOY. Previous 2.9% YOY. CPI, forecast 0.4% MOM. Previous 0.4% MOM. Core CPI, forecast 3.1% YOY. Previous 3.1% YOY. Core CPI, forecast 0.3% MOM. Previous 0.3% MOM. 1:45 p.m. British Summer Time. Germany, German Buba President Nagel speaks. 2:45 p.m. British Summer Time. United States, PMI data for October. S&P Global Services PMI. Forecast 53.5. Previous 54.2. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. Forecast 51.9. Previous 52.0. S&P Global Composite PMI. Previous 53.9. 3 p.m. British Summer Time. United States University of Michigan Inflation Report for October. Michigan Consumer Expectations. Forecast 51.2. Previous 51.7. Michigan Consumer Sentiment. Forecast 55.0. Previous 55.1. Michigan Current Conditions. Forecast 61.0. Previous 60.4. Michigan one-year inflation expectations. Forecast 4.6%. Previous 4.7%. Michigan five-year inflation expectations. Forecast 3.7%. Previous 3.7%. And this is the part most people miss. The economic calendar is a powerful tool for investors and traders, providing insights into the health of economies and potential market movements. Stay tuned as we navigate through these economic updates and their potential impact on global markets. What are your thoughts on the delayed CPI report and its potential influence on the Fed's decision? Share your insights in the comments below.